Okay, today we're just going to have a little spin out now with the T-Maxx. We had a little problems with the original radio gear, and then the Fly Sky 5, we had a slight issue with that. However, we have just got the ESC and the radio gear out of an FTX Outlaw. Works quite well, we hope so. Anyway, so we've got this up and running. We don't have any reverse whatsoever because this is, if it zooms in, the reverse function's intermittent on that. So rather than just keep stop starting and trying to pull it out by hand, we just keep it going forward for now. Hope you enjoyed the video as we start our RC Nitro journey, as this is our first one. Got the original body here. Got another body in the garage to come with it. Look at that. A true beast. A true legend beast. The size of them tyres. So, it's only a little short breaking in video. We're just going to do a tank of fuel just to get used to it and the speed. So, like and subscribe. Your thoughts, please. Take it easy. Have a nice weekend. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video anyway, and next up will be taking it somewhere with a bit more space so we can reach top speed. It definitely wants to give more, but we ain't really got the room, to be fair. So, like I said earlier, our first journey into Nitro. Never done Nitro before, it's always been electric. Next purchase is now going to be all Nitro. I've got another body somewhere that come with it under here. This one. Just put that on top there, just slightly. So, looks cool. This one is a bit bashed and cracked up, so but that's not an issue. That's what we're going to use it for, the bashing. We're going to cut this back out so we can get maximum air in there while we're running it. Yeah, there we go, people. Please leave a like and a comment, and any advice for Nitros will be greatly received. Thank you again.